In this video, I'll show you how to create a winning variable quiz, also known as a personality type quiz, using the RevenueHunt app. What is a winning variable quiz? A winning variable quiz works by assigning a variable, like dry, oily, or sensitive, to each answer. At the end of the quiz, the app counts which variable has the highest score, and the results page displays the section and the products associated with that winning variable. For example, if most of the customer's answers point to dry skin, the results page will display the dry skin section and its recommended products. Step 1. Create a quiz. Let's start by creating a new quiz. In the app dashboard, click Create Quiz and select from Template. We already have a skin type variable quiz template ready, so I'll select that one. Immediately, you'll see a quiz with 5 questions that help determine the customer's skin type. If you go to the results page, you'll see 5 sections, each corresponding to a skin type: dry, normal, oily, combination, and sensitive. Each section includes a heading, some text, and a product block. Step 2. Add fixed product recommendations. Each section should be configured with fixed recommendations, meaning that specific products will always be displayed when that section becomes visible. To adjust this, click the product block inside a section. Set the recommendation system to fixed recommendations. Choose your products. For example, 3 or 4 items from your catalog that best match that skin type. Repeat this step for all sections. Once all your product blocks are set up, click Save Changes. Step 3. Understand how variables work. Now, how does the app know which section to show? Let's look at the logic behind the variables. Go back to the Questions tab and open the first question. Click on a choice, scroll down to Scores and Calculations, and you'll see that a variable is already assigned. For example, Tight and Flaky Skin choice gives 1 score to variable dry. Normal and Balanced choice gives 1 score to variable normal. Shiny Throughout the Day choice gives 1 score to variable oily. In some spots, choice gives 1 score to variable combination, and Easily Irritated choice gives 1 score to variable sensitive. Each choice contributes 1 point to its variable. As the customer goes through the quiz, the app keeps a running total for each variable. At the end, whichever variable has the highest score determines which results section becomes visible. You can even create new variables in the Scores and Calculations field by typing a new name in the Search or Create Variables bar. Step 4. How visibility is determined. Back on the results page, each section already has display logic applied. For example, the dry skin section will be visible if the variable with the highest score is dry. The oily skin section will appear if oily wins, and so on for normal, combination, and sensitive. This setup ensures that only the most relevant section is shown to the user. Step 5. Test your quiz. Now, let's test it. Save your changes, then click Preview. Let's choose mostly answers related to dry skin. Tight and flaky, feels rough, needs extra hydration. When I reach the results page, I see the dry skin section with its text and recommended products. Now, if I retake the quiz and select more sensitive skin answers, the results page updates automatically and shows the sensitive skin section instead. And that's it. That's how you can create a winning variable quiz in the RevenueHunt app. Perfect for personality type experiences like skin analysis, hair routines, or wellness profiling. You can find this exact template in the quiz creation screen. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.